Hello students, in last video I discussed about cash book, and once again in live classes we will discuss about cash book and other, but presently I am going to teach you today sales return book or sales return journal, or we can call it return inward book also. This book is prepared when credit sales are returned by a customer. Whoever has uh, bought goods from the business or the organization, when returns goods to the same organization, then that is called a sales return. And the book in which we regularly enter this sales return by the debtors of us, that is called sales return book. So a credit note is applicable in case of sales return book. That means whenever any customer is returning sales, then a credit note is issued to him, so that the amount of credit note can be credited to his account, because a debtor has a debit balance for us. So if we send a credit note, then the amount will be less, which is due on which is due to him. So this is a format of credit note you can see on the screen now. So it contains name and address of the receiver, and it uh, also contain the information that what amount is being credited and what is the reason, and what are the sometimes credit note is also issued when any invoice is charged more. Like, if suppose we have sold goods to somebody and the invoice was overcharged, or the price was collected more than the actual price, then credit note is issued, so that the debit balance may reduce of that debtor. Now let's see what is the format of sales return book. So it is similar to purchase return book or sales day book, but there are some differences, like credit note is there instead of debit note, as you can see in purchase return book. Again, LF details sales return, output CGST and output SGST and output IGST columns are there. Here sales will be returned and output CGST will be collected here, will be cancelled here. So here output CGST and output SGST are mentioned. Let's see an illustration. So sales return book, let's prepare of Ramlal and Company, Hisar, Haryana, CGST 6% and SGST 6%. Good returned by Ganga Prasad and Company, Karnal, table fan 6,000, trade discount 15%, Siam Oil Mills, Jamuna Nagar, returned defective goods valued rupees 40,000 and allowance allowed to Sanjay and Company, Faridabad on account of mistake in the invoice. So let's see this. Here the first entry is on April 6, Ganga Prasad and Ganga Prasad and Company, Karnal, Haryana. Trade discount will be subtracted from that, and SGST and CGST at the top 6% will be levied on 500 5,100 rupees. So 306 and 306. So the total will be totaled in details, and again sales return, output CGST and output SGST will be written in the respective columns, and the total amount will go to the total column. Again, Siam Oil Mills, Jamnagar, Haryana, SGST at the rate of 6%, and CGST is also at the rate of 6%. So on 40,000 it will be levied, and the total of 44,800 will go to the total column. Again, to Sanjay and Company, the amount was 2,500, and 150 and 150 are SGST and CGST. Like this, at last we will do the totals of sales return, output CGST, output IGST, and output SGST, and total amount columns will only total. So this is the format of sales return book. You have to only remember the format, because all the things are very easy. You have to put in the respective columns. So go through it. I am sending one PDF containing this file, and also one more file I will be sending, that will contain homework. So at least make one sum on this and match it with the solution next day I am providing. So go through that and remember the format of sales return book. Thank you.